Hey y'all, welcome to AI Baddies Promo, where digital girls run real game. I'm Nova, your glam tech bestie, and guide to turning scrolls into streams and AI into assets. This channel is all about teaching you how to build your own AI models, make your content pop with tools like RenderNet, ChatGPT, ElevenLabs, and more, and monetize your looks, skills, or brand like a baddie boss. But that's just part of the glow up. We also run the @AI Baddies Promo Instagram, where we showcase stunning AI models, collab with creators, and give daily inspo for your next baddie drop. Plus, we've got 2 must-bookmark blogs, the Baddie Blueprint, our Substack where I spill game on building, styling, and monetizing your AI model like a pro, and the AI Baddies Promo blog, featuring quick tutorials, tech reviews, and breakdowns of the hottest AI tools out right now. So whether you're here to slay, scale, or just get started, you're in the right place, babe. Hit that subscribe button, join the Baddie Blueprint on Substack, and follow the movement on IG @AI Baddies Promo. Because around here, AI isn't the future, we already made it fashion.